Imagine a person who spent months designing a marketing campaign by putting a lot of efforts and creativity, from aesthetic designs to writing catchy copies and distributing the ad budget. But what if he's not getting the desired results? The campaign is not generating enough conversions to invest for the next campaign. And if you are an entrepreneur who doesn't have the resources to hire a marketing agency, you know how painful it is, especially when you have already invested a significant time and energy in building the product and services and still not getting the desired marketing results. All this is very painful, and if you are experiencing the same, watch the video till the end, because I am going to tell you about one such tool offered by the social media giant Facebook that can change your marketing game completely. Hey there, welcome back to Digifia Academy. This is Manish, and today I will not only talk about Facebook Pixel aka Meta Pixel, but also show you the exact process so that you can set up this remarkable tool on your website and take your marketing to the next level. Before we start, I want you to know that in October 2021, the parent company of Facebook changed its name to Meta, and later Facebook integrated Instagram with the Pixel system. Hence, both combined are called Meta Pixel. So don't get confused when I say Facebook Pixel, because both are the same. Meet Kelly Nair. She is an influential personality and sells beauty products under her personal brand. Since her stores are successfully targeting offline customers, she also sells online. Seeing the shift in customer behavior, she decided to focus more on her online store. Since beauty products are generally marketed well on social media, and her analytics report also showed her that majority of her website traffic comes from social media. So she was in search of a way by which she can target this audience effectively. One of her team members from the marketing department suggested her to use Facebook Pixel so that it can help achieve her goal. Now let's understand the different stages of Kelly's business and how Facebook Pixel can help it grow. So number 1, desire. The desire is to increase online sales. Number 2, obstacle. Obstacle is retargeting visitors. Number 3, carrier. The carrier is Meta Pixel. And number 4, end goal. And the end goal is to boost sales. Now with the implementation of Meta Pixel, Kelly is able not just to track her website visitors, but also their action taken on her website, such as clicking a button or adding products to cart, etc. This way, she can now show them ads on Meta platform like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and other partner platforms. Now a question might arise that how does the whole model work? So let me explain this to you. When a user visits Kelly's website, the pixel code automatically captures the visit and checks whether the user is logged into his or her Meta account, basically Facebook or Instagram account. If they are, then the pixel will map the user with their respective Meta accounts. Once the visitor is identified, Meta can easily push the ad to the user's feed. Thus, Kelly can remarket the right audience with the right product. Now that you understood how the model works, let me turn to what other benefits Kelly can reap using the tool. By installing Meta Pixel on her website, Kelly unlocks 4 powerful features to ease her advertising and conversion process, and those are: number 1, track conversions. With the help of Pixel, Kelly can now track the number of conversion happening, that is, how many visitors are actually ending up making a purchase on her website. And second benefit Kelly gets is to create a personalized ad. Since visitors are mapped with their respective Facebook and Instagram accounts, creating ad campaigns which target that particular audience becomes more smoother. Third benefit is optimizing campaign results. Since Kelly knows what action their visitors perform on her website, she can run different campaigns accordingly and optimize the existing ones. Campaigns designed on the basis of users' intent and choice have a higher chances of success. And lastly, Kelly can find new leads. When a user visits Kelly's website organically, the pixel immediately identifies the visitors from his or her Facebook or Instagram account and adds them to the audience so that they can be shown ads later on. This way, the Meta Pixel gets new leads for Kelly. Without Pixel, this was not possible earlier. So this is how the concept of Meta Pixel actually works. I hope this was clear to you. If you liked it, comment Pixel is fun. Before we move on to actually set up the pixel, I want to highlight the structure of Meta Business Manager, formerly known as Facebook Business Manager. So this is how it looks like. First, there is a personal Facebook account. Then there is a business account. Under the business account, Facebook page and Instagram handles are connected. Other tools like Pixel, domains and ad campaigns also come under the business account. They are collectively called assets. There could be multiple business accounts as per your requirement, but you can only have one personal account at a time. Similarly, one business account can have multiple assets as per their requirement. Okay, now that you understand the meta hierarchy, now let's move to the computer screen to set up our pixel. Log into your Meta Business Suite at business.facebook.com. Click on Settings and then Business Settings. Go to Data Sources and then click on Pixels. Click Add. This is the menu from where we can create the pixel. There is one more way to do this. Let me show you that. Go back to Settings and then Business Assets. Click on Add Assets, Advertising, and then click Pixel. This is the second option that allows you to create a meta pixel. I'll go with the first option. Here put a name of your pixel. So I'll name it Manish Web Pixel. Put the URL of your website here. This is optional, you can leave it. Click Continue. And yeah, the pixel is created. Now let's set it up. So there are 3 ways to set up the pixel. Basically 2. The last option is to email your developer, so that we won't consider. First option is the partner integration. Meta has partnered with some of the leading CMS platforms for a smoother integration. For example, if your website is built on WordPress, then you will get a plugin for Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel, and you can continue with the setup process. The second option is the traditional option, in which the code is installed on the website. The thumb rule is that install this code on the header of your website, because header is the part that loads first on the website. So I'm gonna use the partner integration, but this one is a little bit different. I'm gonna use a shortcut. So my website is built on Doric. So what I'm gonna do is I'll visit my dashboard, and inside integration I'll find chat and marketing option, and there is a column of Facebook Pixel ID. So I'll go back to my Meta dashboard and copy this pixel ID, and then I will paste it in my Facebook pixel column. Before I hit publish, let me show you my website. Let me refresh. So as you can see, there is no pixel installed on my website. Now let me try publishing it. Now it's published. Here is a pro tip. If I would have chosen the second option, that was to paste the code in the website, so I could have done that easily by going to the advanced tab and paste the code in the header section, but we used a shortcut. Let's get back to the website and hit refresh. Now if I show you, here we go. We have our Facebook pixel installed on the website. Now we have successfully installed the pixel. Now it's time to configure the events. Let's open Events Manager. So here we will see all the events, basically the activities of the website visitors. We can create targeted ads for the visitors right from the interface. Now click Manage Integrations, Manage and Configure Events. Now let's set up the event. Click Open Event Setup tool, put the URL of the website and click Open Website. It will gonna open up our website, and here we go. Since I'm not selling anything, that's why it says no events found on this page. Let's close the website. There is an error mark. Let's see what it is. It says Setup Conversion API to help decrease cost per action. So it is asking us to set up a custom conversion event. Since this is a beginner's tutorial and custom conversion is an advanced thing, so I'm not gonna cover it, otherwise the video will become too technical to understand. So this is where our events and visitors will be shown. Let me show you with an example. This is the pixel of our website digifia.com, and as you can see, it has received several events and multiple page views. It says there is a diagnostic issue. Let's see what it is. So it says new domain sending data. This is because I haven't verified the domain yet. Let me show you how to do it. Let's get back to business settings, and under brand safety, click on domain. Click Add and create a new domain. Enter your domain name and hit Add. So there are 3 ways to do this, but the best and easy way to verify a domain is to update the DNS record. So let's select the update DNS record. So here you have to create a TXT record in your DNS system. So let me show you how to do this. But before that, make sure to copy this verification key. So the steps may vary from registrar to registrar. You can find the information about your domain registrar on Google, or you can simply contact their customer support and they will do it for you. And if you use Cloudflare, you can follow these steps. Log into your Cloudflare account and select the domain you want to add the DNS record for. Click on DNS. Here you will find all the records that you have already created. Now click add record. Select the type as TXT. In the name, put the symbol of @ and in content, paste the verification key and hit save. And yeah, we have successfully added the DNS record. Now get back to our business settings and click verify domain. And congratulations, it is verified. So here you not only created a pixel and set it up, but also you verified the domain. So to sum up, Metapixel is a piece of code that is installed on a website or app and tracks the user's behavior for conversion optimization and smoother advertising experience for businesses. I hope you understood the pixel clearly. Do like this video to appreciate our efforts, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more such content. And by the way, if you don't have a website, watch this video. I have shown you how to create one from scratch and I'll catch you there.